Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles! Quality! Peso!
Explore! Rescue! Protect!
Argonauts!
Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles! Quality! Peso!
Explore! Rescue! Protect!
Argonauts!
Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles! Quality! Peso!
This Transformer special goes out to those who work at Coney Island. The Coney Island Aquarium. Tonight we're going to draw Polar Claw from Transformers Robots in Disguise Season 2.
Explore! Rescue! Protect!
Argonauts!
This guy got his first debut and return on Transformers series on the Transformers series.
Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles! Quality! Peso!
Explore! Rescue! Protect!
Argonauts!
Anyhow, this guy, I know he looks like a polar bear, but he's got these, he lives in the Arctic, and, well,
Octonauts to your
on Robots in
stations.
Disguise, he was a fugitive,
Barnacles!
but in the Beast Wars series, he was a Maximal, a good guy. Maybe he'll be that way in the series. Alexa, what is a polar bear?
Okay, here's animal sounds. Try once more.
No.
Try once more.
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye.
Rescue! Protect!
Argonauts!
Alexa, what is the definition for polar bear?
Polar bear is usually defined as a large
Octonauts
white
stop.
to
bear.
your stations.
Barnacles! Quality! Peso!
Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles. Quality. Queso.
Alexa, what is the definition for polar bear?
Polar bear is usually defined as a large white bear, Ursus maritimus, of the Arctic regions.
Explore, rescue, protect.
Argonaut.
Octonauts to your stations.
Barnacles. Quality. Queso.
Explore, rescue, protect.
Argonaut.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is the Coney Islands Aquarium?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Destination360.com, the Coney Island Aquarium is New York City's only aquarium, and includes over 350 species of aquatic wildlife and is open every day of the year.
Is that so? Alexa, what kind of animals can you find at the Coney Islands Aquarium?
Here's something I found on the web. According to placeonline.com, dolphins and sea lions frolic is placed at the Coney Island Aquarium.
Almost there. And done. That is how you draw a polar claw. Alexa, what other species of bear are there?
I know about 8 bear species including brown bear, giant panda, polar bear, American black bear, sloth bear, and 3 more.
Alexa, what is a sloth bear?
The sloth bear is a Myrmecophagous bear species native to the Indian subcontinent. It feeds on fruits, ants and termites. It is listed as vulnerable on the UCAN Red List, mainly because of habitat loss and degradation. It has also been called labiated bear because of its long lower lip and palate used for sucking up insects.
Alexa, what is a black bear?
The American black bear, or simply black bear, is a medium-sized bear endemic to North America. It is the continent's smallest and most widely distributed bear species. American black bears are omnivores, with their diets varying greatly depending on season and location.
That's how you draw polar claw. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.